let's look at this figure 21-66. And we're dealing with wiring methods for Class 1, Zone 1, Zone 0, and Zone 2 locations in accordance with 505.15a through C. Now, reviewing the illustration starting at the top, we have a Zone 0. Now, if you're actually using Zone 0 in Europe, or say the Middle East, wherever you may be, only intrinsically safe wiring can be put there. But the NEC, under these specified conditions of 505.15a, we could use intrinsically safe, rigid metal conduit, IMC, MI cable in accordance with 505.15b1c, non-incendive or optic fiber cables. See the additional wiring methods. Now let's go to Zone 1. Wiring methods permitted are those in the Class 1 Division 1 areas, where we have Class 1 Division 1, Class 1 Zone 0, plus ceiling per 505.16. And for a complete list, see 505.15b1a through b1i. And that takes care of the Zone 1. Now, Zone 2 wiring methods permitted are those in Class 1 Division 2, Class 1 Division 1, Class 1 Zone 0, and Class 1 Zone 1. And of course, we can find this permissive rule in 505.15 C1A through 1H, plus the ceiling requirements of 505.16. So now we just reviewed the wiring methods that figure 21-66 is illustrating to the user of the NEC when you're using the zones in accordance with the NEC and Article 505.